Good morning, children. We are once again discussing the same sample paper 2. Under sample paper 2, now what we have the first question number 21. In this question number 21, we have this question: to observe the effect of concentration on the conductivity. Electrolytes of different nature were taken into two vessels A and B. A contains weak electrolyte ammonium hydroxide, B contains KCl. If the concentration of each electrolyte was increased when the conductivity is off, four options have been given. Option A increases, B decreases. Option B, A decreases while B increases. Option C, both A and B increases. Option D, both A and B decrease. These are four options we are having. Now which one is the correct one? After that, children, we have the next question, that is question 22. Okay, here you have to match the following, right? In the first column we have the name of certain reactions, and in the second column we have the final, that is the product. And the name of the reaction is, the first one is called as Friedel-Crafts reaction, Cannizaro's reaction, Kolbe reaction, and Sandmeyer reaction. In column 2 we have a hydrocarbon by electrolysis, acetophenone from benzene, chlorobenzene from aniline, and a mixture of acid and alcohol from formaldehyde. These are the four options we are having. You have to find out the correct answer. And the correct answer option is option number A. So the correct answer option is option number A. The correct answer option number A, that is 1Q2S3P4R. After that, next question 3. Zinc gives hydrogen gas with sulfuric acid HCl but not with nitric acid because zinc acts as oxidizing agent when reacts with nitric acid. Nitric acid is a weaker acid than H2SO4. In electrochemical series, zinc is above hydrogen. Nitric ion is reduced in preference to hydronium ion. Which one is the correct answer option? The correct answer option is option D, that is nitrate ion is reduced in preference to hydronium ion. Okay. After that, the next one we have is question 24. Concentrated hydrochloric acid when kept in open air sometimes produces a cloud of white fumes. The experiment for it is that. Under that we have these four options. First option A, due to strong affinity of water, concentrated hydrochloric acid pulls moisture of air towards itself. This moisture forms droplets of water, hence the cloud. Concentrated hydrochloric acid emits strongly smelling HCl gas all the time. There is strong affinity of HCl gas for moisture in air, results in forming of droplets of liquid solution which appear like a cloudy smoke. Now, which one you think is the correct answer option for question 24? The correct answer option is option D. Now, next one is question 25. Question 25 tells you bottles containing C6H5I and C6H5CH2I lost their original labels. Okay, that is iodobenzene and ethyl iodobenzene. They were labeled as X and Y for testing. X and Y separately taken test tube and boiled with NaOH. The end solution in each test tube was made acidic with dilute nitric acid. Okay. After that, they're asking, and then some silver nitrate solution was added. Substance Y gave a yellow precipitate. Which one of the following statement is true for this experiment? Question 25, we have these four options. Okay, which one is correct? Which one you think is the correct answer option? The correct answer option is option number A. The correct answer option is option number A. That is X was C6H5I. Okay, correct answer option is C6H5I. After that we have the achiever section, that is section 2 of the question paper. In this we have this question: idle cell is connected to a capacitor through a voltmeter. An idle cell is connected to a capacitor through a voltmeter. The reading capital V of the voltmeter is plotted against time. Which of the following best represents the resulting curve? Which among them best represents the resulting curve? That is first one, V versus T. We have this type of a curve passing through the origin. V versus T hyperbola, V versus T, where V is parallel to that of the x-axis, and V versus T. Now which one you think is the correct answer option? The correct answer option is A. The correct answer option is A. After that we have the next question, that is the two loops each carrying a current I are being shaped in the form as shown in figure. The magnetic induction at the center will be. We have these four options. Among these we have to choose the option. Okay. Which one you think is the correct answer option? C. The correct answer option is A. Okay. In this question 27, the correct answer option is B. Now we have question 28. In this case we have two wires of the same material having the same uniform area of cross section are connected in an electrical circuit. Okay. They are an electrical circuit. The masses of the wires are m and 2m respectively. When a current I that flows through the circuit, the heat produced in them in a given time is in the ratio 2:1, 2:1, 1:2, and 1:2. Now the first option 2:1, where when they are connected in series, 2:1 when they are connected in parallel, 1:2 when they are connected in parallel, and 1:2 when they are connected in series. Which one you think is the correct answer option? The correct answer option is 28D, that is 1:2 when they are connected in series. 1:2 when they are connected in series. After that we have the next question, question 29, fill in the blanks with the most appropriate option. See, in this question we have a K, a substance K, which is when being reacted with sodium hydrogen carbonate we get carbon dioxide plus other products. Now this K on reacting with chromium oxide forms L. L on reacting with M it forms acetone CH3COCH3 plus carbon dioxide. Now you have to identify K and L. You have to identify K and L from this reaction. Now when to identify K and L, now what we do, you just need to identify K and L. Which one is the correct answer? See this reaction. In this reaction values have been provided. Here you have to go for back. then only we will get the value of k. Once you get k, it is easy to get L, right? Children, the correct option here is B. So the correct answer option is B. Okay, B is the correct answer option for question number 29. After that, we have question number 30. In question number 30, we have organic compound P of molecular formula C6H12O neither decolorizes the Bayer's reagent nor it changes the color of acidic dichromate solution. Compound P on treatment with sulfuric acid. Compound P on treatment with sulfuric acid produces alkane, which on oxidative ozone lysis gives a molecular formula C6H10O3, which gives the positive iodoform test. The most appropriate molecular structure of P is, here we have option A, option B, option C and option D. Now which one you think is the correct answer option? Which one you think is the correct answer option? Accordingly, the correct answer option is option D. Option D is the correct answer option. Okay. Now we have the mathematics section. Under the mathematics section we have this question 31. Under question 31, let R be a relation. Let R be a relation defined by R equals to AB, where A is greater than equal to B and AB belongs to R. The relation R is the reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Reflexive, transitive and not symmetric. Symmetric, transitive and not reflexive. Neither transitive nor reflexive, not symmetric. Now which one you think is the correct answer option? See, the correct answer option is option number B. The correct answer option is option number B. Now the next question we have is, if sec inverse x equals to cosec inverse y, then the values of cos inverse 1 by x plus cos inverse 1 by y equal to, and the values have been given as follows: pi by 4, negative pi by 2, pi and pi by 2. Okay, which one you think is the correct answer option? Correct answer option is 32D. After that, we have the next question 33. If the derivative of the function fx is given like this, is wherever continuous, then you have to find the value of a, b and c. You have to find the values of a, b and c. And what are the respective values? The respective values are a, where a equals to 2 and b equals to 3. The correct answer option is a, small equals to 2, small b equals to 3. After that we have next question, and the next question is question number 34. If a is be the function with the domain x and the range y, let a b belongs to x and c d belongs to set y. Which of the following is not true? Four of these options are there, and the correct answer option 34 is B. B is the correct answer option. Okay. After that we have the next one. If a, b, c are non-zero real numbers, then this vanishes when? What are the options? Question 35. The correct answer option is A. 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c equal to 0. Next we have question number 36. If fx equal to tan inverse gx, when gx is monotonically increasing from x less than 0 less than pi by 2, then function of x is. Question 36. Function of x is A. Correct answer option is A, that is increasing in 0 pi by 2. If A1 is the area of the parabola y square equals to 4ax lying between the vertex and the latus rectum, and if A2 is the area between the latus rectum and the double ordinate x equal to twice a, then A1 by A2 equal to. These are the values. Which one you think is the correct answer option? Which one you think is the correct answer option? Okay. In case of question 37, the correct answer option is B. Question 37, the correct answer option is B. After that we have the next one, question 38. In case of question 38, what we see that if alpha equals to x plus ay plus 2x plus y, then the correct answer option for question 38 is D, where x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. After that 39, question 39, the set of points where the function fx equal to x is differentiable is A. 39, the answer option is A. In case of 40, the domain of the function fx equal to x square by root over a by x minus b is the correct answer option for question number 40 is option C. Option C is the correct answer option. Okay. After that, question 41. The equation of a normal passing through minus 2, 3 and parallel to the tangent at the origin for circle x square plus y square plus x minus y equal to 0 is. Question 41. The correct answer option is C. X minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Now the next is question 42. That is the function of cot x by root 3 sin x dx equal to minus 3 root 3 sin x plus c minus 2. In case of question 42, the correct answer option is A. Correct answer option is A once again. Okay.